Hello and welcome. This is a Centrex software lender matchmaking demo. Let's go ahead and get started. Here at Centrex Software, we are a large core operating system and ecosystem designed for the finance industry. So we have CRM, LOS, servicing, payment processing, digital wallets, mobile apps, form builders, a lot of great fintech dedicated products and services in the Centrex ecosystem. One cool feature we have here at Centrex Software is something called lender matchmaking, where you can add lenders into the software, create filters, and then match them with borrowers. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. If we jump into the Centrex software platform, you have a tab called Lenders. Okay, so if you are a broker or even if you're a lender and maybe you broker some deals every now and then to other lenders, you can add those lenders here in the Lenders tab by clicking on Adding a Lender. Once a lender has been added, we can come into this lender and we can see some basic configuration points on this particular lender. Okay, are they active, inactive? Do they offer loans and or advances or one or the other? Here's some basic information on file for this lender. You can always take notes on this lender as well, and notes will stack down the page. Are you working any deals with this particular lender for advances? And you can go into those advances directly from this page here. And then are you working any loans, or have you worked any loans with this lender in the past? And you can go into that loan from here as well. Okay, now under criteria configuration, you've got a toggle here for advanced criteria and loan criteria. Okay, so if this particular lender offers both loans and advances, you can come in here and you can create multiple filters and then also multiple filter sets. Okay, so your filters are the standard and custom fields in your software. Okay, so if you have any custom fields like annual gross revenue, years in business, estimated credit score, you can add all these filters here. Click on Add Set. If you want to add another set, maybe for a different product, you can add that set as well. And you can change and to or back to and when you create those different filter sets for this particular lender. Okay, same concept for loan criteria. If I come into loan criteria, I can create those different types of sets for this lender that does loans as well. Okay, so once this criteria has all been set at the contact level, I can jump into a contact that has an advance or a loan ready to go. We'll start with an advance here, and I can come into this particular advance. And if I'm a broker and I'm ready to do a submission, so I can come into the submissions tab here and I can see all the submissions I've done. But if I'd like to do a new submission, I can come into new submission. I can choose the documents I want to submit. And then when I go choose my lenders, the lenders in green meet 100% of the match rate for this particular borrower, right? So if you had filters on these lenders in the lenders tab for years in business, annual gross revenue, whatever they meet, and they meet 100% for this borrower, we're going to display them in green so you can choose these lending institutions and you can submit your package off to those lenders. Okay, same concept if I come back to Al's Laundry Service here for a loan. Okay, so if I come into loans and I come into this specific loan, I can come to submissions, and I can click on new submission and I can see the different types of lending institutions that work out for this particular submission. Okay, so that is the lender matchmaking technology built in the Centrex software system in the Lenders tab. If you would like a deeper presentation and ask some more questions on lender matchmaking, go ahead and jump over to the Centrex software website, click on Request a Demo, and a Centrex software specialist will be contacting you shortly. Again, this is a Centrex software demo on the lender matchmaking technology here at Centrex Software.